Join me as I take on the challenge of crafting intricate core patterns using precision CNC machining. Let's see if I can nail it. Core patterns are a crucial aspect of modern manufacturing, and precision CNC machining plays a vital role in their creation. Without precise machining, these patterns would be nothing more than rough estimates, lacking the accuracy required for optimal performance. When it comes to achieving precision in CNC machining, however, manufacturers often face numerous challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is the risk of human error. Even the slightest miscalculation or mistype can result in inaccurate patterns, wasting valuable time and resources. Another challenge faced by manufacturers is the limitations of their machinery. Older or lower quality machines may struggle to maintain the level of precision required for crafting core patterns, leading to inconsistent results and decreased productivity. Furthermore, the complexity of core patterns themselves can also pose a challenge. Intricate designs and curves require extremely high levels of accuracy, making it difficult for even the most skilled machinists to achieve perfect results. In addition to these challenges, manufacturers must also contend with the physical properties of the materials they're working with. Different materials have unique characteristics that can affect the machining process, such as varying levels of hardness or tensile strength. To overcome these challenges, manufacturers have developed a range of techniques and technologies that enhance CNC machining accuracy. One such technique is the use of high-quality cutting tools designed specifically for precision machining. These tools are capable of maintaining their accuracy even at high speeds, reducing the risk of human error and increasing overall productivity. Another key technology is advanced software, which enables machinists to simulate and optimize their designs before beginning the machining process. This allows for the identification and correction of potential errors, ensuring that the final product meets the required level of precision. In addition to these technologies, manufacturers have also developed best practices for CNC machining, such as regularly calibrating their machinery and maintaining a clean, organized workspace. By following these guidelines, machinists can minimize the risk of human error and maximize the accuracy of their results. To illustrate the importance of precision CNC machining and core pattern crafting, let's take a look at a real-world example. In the aerospace industry, core patterns are used to create critical components, such as engine components and structural elements. In this scenario, precision CNC machining is crucial, as even the slightest deviation from the design specifications could result in catastrophic failure. In this case, a manufacturer used advanced CNC machining techniques to craft a complex core pattern for a new engine component. By utilizing high-quality cutting tools and advanced software, they were able to achieve an accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters, exceeding the required specifications and ensuring the production of a high-performing component. The successful application of precision CNC machining and core pattern crafting is a testament to the importance of this technology in modern manufacturing. By understanding the challenges faced in achieving precision and leveraging the latest techniques and technologies, manufacturers can unlock new levels of accuracy and productivity. In conclusion, the importance of precision, CNC machining and core pattern crafting cannot be overstated. By recognizing the challenges and leveraging the latest technologies and best practices, manufacturers can unlock new levels of accuracy and productivity, driving innovation and progress in a wide range of industries. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on precision CNC machining or core patterns, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about advanced CNC techniques, be sure to check out our next video.